Hi, hello, welcome to my channel. This is Rhea. So today my video is about some self Q&A, and I have chosen some question and answer questions. So what are the answers I'll be giving to you and what are the questions? Just let's get into the video and start the video. Okay. First question. Do you still have your childhood toys? No, I doesn't have my childhood toys, but I had a pic of my childhood toy which I'll be adding here. That is a first birthday pic holding a toy. So just I'll add a pic of here so that I can remember myself of a childhood toy. Okay. So my second question is, do you like scary movies? Yes, I'm afraid of scary movies. So no, my answer is I doesn't like scary movies. Okay. My third question is, have you ever cried watching a film? Yes, a lot of time I have cried when I'm watching a film. Or else if I watch any sad moment or a sad bit of a film, just my eyes automatically drop the tears. So what is my fourth question is, which TV show do you still watch now? Yes, I'll watch. I doesn't watch any serials or any talented shows or else anything. Just I'll watch all. Means if I watch in TV, I used to watch Sony Crime Patrol. So that is the thing I used to watch. But I like mostly to watch the music, listen the music, than watching a TV. What's my favorite type of junk food? My favorite type of junk food is, first one is pani puri and the second one is garlic bread. Do you like summer or winter? Yes, I like mostly winter only. I doesn't like the heat of summer. So my answer is winter. What is the nickname? What are the nicknames and what do you prefer to be called? Yeah, I doesn't have any nicknames. So prefer my relatives, family, friends, everyone calls me Jaya only. And my father only will call me as Amlu. But I like only Jaya. How many times a day do you look at yourself in the mirror? I think most probably three times, not more than three times. One for keeping bindi and if possible for combing my hair, not more than that. If any one time more, maybe extra, but not more than three times. I'm not a beauty girl, so I want to be simple. So I doesn't want to watch every time going mirror, so doing some picking hair like that. Like, so I want to be simple only. So my opinion on this word is, I'll watch three times in a day. Which animal scares you most? Why? Okay. I'll scare more for snakes. I doesn't know why, what happened. If I get in a dream also, I'll be scaring him more. And I even doesn't like pet animals also. I doesn't want to hold them. I doesn't want to carry with me for a longer time. If I look from a long place, okay, a puppy or else a kitten or else a goat of a baby goat, or else if I see from a long place, is it okay? That is okay for me, but I cannot hold them. I cannot take them near to me. So that is a problem for me. And what is something about yourself that you hope will change? My weight. First is my weight. I should change my weight. I should decrease it. So that is the thing. And what position do you sleep in? I doesn't know which position I'll sleep, and I cannot say you also because there is a particular position that I cannot sleep. I think so. I doesn't remember this. So my answer is, I'll sleep mostly on the left side, not right side. So my sleeping position will be mostly on left side. What is your favorite all-time town or city? Yeah, my favorite all-time town or city is Hyderabad only, because I have stayed here from past 30 years, my studies, my friends, and whatever the memories which are here, I can never change it out. And I cannot congest in any other place also like this. However, I have comfort here. I had a comfort here. So what will be my next question is, if you could eliminate one weakness or limitation in your life, what it would be? Yeah, this recently I had not known till now that I am having this weakness, so I should change this thing in from my life. What is that is actually I'm if I'm close, I'll just talk it on freely with them. So even though when we are free from them, we should not speak and we should not give suggestions. We should be in limits as per my word. So I should change the possessiveness which is there in me. I should clearly cleanly clamp it off from my life. Means example, I'll be giving here an example also. First thing, let us some examine a closest person in our life got some job, xyz got a job. So whatever I'll do is, yeah, come and join, what happened, why are you doing late, okay, come here. I'll giving more and more suggestions. Everyone knows about their life, everyone knows about their what they should do, what they should not do. So why we should give the suggestions? So that one I should change it off and I should clear it off from my life. Change giving suggestions. So I think that is the answer of this question. If you could restore, next question is, if you could restore one's broken relationship, what it would be? I think I did not broken any relationship till now. Okay, if I broken anyone's relationship in my life till now, just I'll say sorry. Even though if for this also I'm giving some little bit example. Even though we both couple are having any issues from our life, even though had a mistake from my husband, just I'll say sorry, nothing will happen. Okay, so my answer is sorry. Sorry joins many hearts. Sorry is not the small word, sorry is the word which joins many hearts as per my view. Okay, last question friends. How difficult it for you to forgive someone who refuses to apologize? Yeah, if I say sorry also they did not apologize me, I'll just give a some time, because time changes a lot. We cannot after if we did some mistake, okay, if they heard from us, let us after saying sorry also they did not accepted us, let us give some time. Time changes a lot, because time has a power of forgiving everything. As personal experienced from time, I think giving some time is best answer for the last question. And if what happens, you may ask here the second question also, if what happens if your husband refuses to apologize, same answer, I'll give him some time. So maybe because his time will be less, for 1 hour, 1 day, one in one only it will be completed off, because we will talk, we will be saying in one place, or else in something else we will be moving off and we'll forget that. Okay, something will be there in mind, but for accepting it may take time, but for talking, but for in relationship will not get any problems. So if for others, for friends and family, just give some time. Time changes a lot. And saying sorry is not the mistake. You did a mistake, you should say sorry. No, sorry is the word. Even though if you did not if you did not do any mistake, if you say sorry, okay, she's a somehow different person, she said me sorry. So why? Okay, just give it up. They think like that. In my mind, what I'm thinking about others, just I'm saying this only. So these are my questions which I have choose for you to Q&A, self Q&A. How are the questions and how are my answers? Just please say in comment section. And as usual, please give a like to this video. And if anything else, yes, as a small request, please do subscribe my channel with bell icon for further notification. Thank you so much.